Hello everyone, this is Usnan Arif and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time that you have come to my channel, then I would request you to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon so that you can have all the new videos whenever I upload them. So in today's topic, we are going to learn how to remove background of an image in Microsoft PowerPoint. Yes, you can remove the image background in PowerPoint as well. It gives you a very good feature that you can utilize and use it to remove the background of any image that you want. It is very easy to do and it is available in almost all Office versions as well. And what more, it is free to do it. Yes, you can easily remove background of any image in Microsoft PowerPoint. And in this tutorial, I'm going to use this picture as an example where I'm going to use the Microsoft PowerPoint, and with the help of PowerPoint, with just simple one click, I'm going to remove the background of this picture and you will see the amazing results. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to insert a new slide in my PowerPoint, and the new slide is inserted, and now from the insert tab I'm going to insert a picture in this slide. And as I already told you that this is the picture that I'm going to use, so just insert the picture in the PowerPoint. As you can see, the picture is inserted, and now I'm going to show you the magic how you can use Microsoft PowerPoint to remove the background of an image. So just click the image. As you can see that the picture format tab is highlighted, and I'm going to click it, and here it is going to show me different features that PowerPoint is offering me. If you want to add any frame or any background or want to change the look of your image, you can easily just select any of these options that are available to you, and you can easily make creative use of your image in your PowerPoint slide or wherever you want to use it. So similarly, there are other many features that are available that you can use. There is an artistic effect over here. As you can see that if I choose among any of these options, it is going to change my image accordingly. Let's suppose if I select this, as you can see, the image has already been changed and the effect has already been applied. This is the light screen image, and similarly there are more artistic effects that you can use. And just for an example, I'm going to select another one of them, the glow edges. As you can see, the picture look awesome. So the powerful editor of Microsoft PowerPoint gives you lots of many interesting features that you can use and make innovative images of your own. And from here, if I move towards the color tab, as you can see that there are different color tones available, color saturation available, and lots of various features that you can use from the PowerPoint editor itself, and you can make great use of this tool and make your images look awesome. And moving back to our tutorial, which was all about how to remove the background of an image. So as you can see here, Microsoft PowerPoint provides you an option to remove background. I'm going to click the option, and now it is going to select my image. As you can see that the background of the image has been highlighted, but here you need to understand one simple fact that uh, Microsoft PowerPoint is going to use its own feature, and it is going to automatically select the background and is going to highlight it. As you can see that in this picture the background has been highlighted, but here I can see that the trousers are not showing up, and what I can do is I can just drag this option and drag it till the bottom. As you can see that I have dragged the picture, and now my subject has been selected and the background has been highlighted, and this is how it is going to remove the background and is going to make it transparent. So if I click the keep changes button, it is going to remove the background. So let's just move ahead, hit the keep changes button, and here you can see that the background has been removed and now it is in transparent color. So this is how easy it is to use Microsoft PowerPoint to remove the background of your image. So similarly, you can make effective use of this tool and can use it to your own liking, and you can easily make your images look more interesting. And if you are facing any problem in removing the background of your image, you can use the free feature of Microsoft PowerPoint and remove the background of your image. So this was all about how to remove the background of an image using Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to see the difference between the two pictures, here you can see this is the picture with the background, and here the background has been removed. It's cool, isn't it? So thank you for watching the tutorial how to remove background of an image using Microsoft PowerPoint. And if you like the video, just do hit the subscribe icon, hit the bell notification icon, so that whenever we upload any new interesting videos, you get the notification. And we would really appreciate if you share your feedback about the tutorial in the comment section. And in case if you want us to create other tutorials which you want us to move ahead with, we would love to do that. Thank you so much for watching. This is Husnan Arif